Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring Pocoyo baby and Pato baby. Let's start drawing. First I draw Pocoyo baby, starting with his cute eyes and little nose. Then I draw his mouth. His mouth is holding a pacifier. I continue with his hat on his head like this. I draw his two hands. Then I draw a blanket and a baby crib. Next to him, I draw Pato Bay, starting with two eyes. Then I draw his nose like this. He has a big nose. I draw his head like this. Then I draw his mouth that is holding a pacifier. I draw his blanket and his crib. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's coloring together. First, I use yellow to paint their pacifiers. Then I color Pocoyo's hat sky blue. Cream for his skin. I color Pato's nose orange. Then I use yellow to paint this part. Light green. Looks so cute. For Pocoyo's blanket, I use gray. Great job! If you like this video, please Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.